subscribe to our channel to get more lessons. Hello students. Today we will learn about arithmetic progression. Objective of this session is to explain about a sequence, not a sequence, and definition of arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, what is it? To understand arithmetic progression, first we need to understand what is a sequence. To know, let us take a few examples. First example is staircase. Staircase means steps. Steps are made up of bricks. How many bricks are there in the first step? 1, 2, 2 bricks. Second step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 bricks. Third step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 bricks. Fourth step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 bricks. Fifth step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 bricks. Now we get the number list. From the first step, 2. From the second step, 4. From the third step, 6. From the fourth step, 8. From the fifth step, 10. Now we have number list 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. How many bricks are there in the first step? 2. How many bricks are there in the second step? 4. There are 2 additional bricks for the step 2. There is difference of 2 bricks between step 1 and step 2. Similarly, goes for the step 2 and step 3. Step 2 has 4 bricks. Step 3 has 6 bricks. Step 3 has additional bricks 5 and 6. Step 3 has 2 additional bricks, isn't it? Yes. The difference between step 2 and step 3 is 2. Now let us see the step 3 and step 4. Step 3 has 6 bricks. Step 4 has 8 bricks. Step 4 has additional bricks 7 and 8. Step 4 has 2 additional bricks, isn't it? Yes. The difference between step 3 and step 4 is 2. Now let us see the step 4 and step 5. Step 4 has 8 bricks. Step 5 has 10 bricks. Step 5 has additional bricks 9 and 10. Step 5 has 2 additional bricks, isn't it? Yes. The difference between step 4 and step 5 is 2. Now we have the pattern 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Let us see the difference between two consecutive numbers. Difference between step 1 and 2 is 2. Difference between step 2 and 3 is 2. Difference between step 3 and step 4 is 2. Difference between step 4 and 5 is 2. Now we have number list 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Difference between two consecutive numbers is 2. What do we notice here? Difference is same for all. Thus, this is a perfect sequence and thus this is a perfect example for arithmetic progression. Now let us take one more example for sequence. Card house game as second example. Now let us see the number of cards being used in every row. First row has 3 cards. Second row has 6 cards. Third row has 9 cards. Fourth row has 12 cards. Fifth row has 15 cards. With this we have got number list 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. Now let us analyze the number list. First row has 3. Second row has 6. Difference between first and second row is 3. Second row has 6 cards and third row has 9. Difference between second and third is 3. Third row has 9 cards and fourth row has 12. Difference between third and fourth is 3. Fourth row has 12 and fifth row has 15. Difference between fourth and fifth row is 3. What do we see? The difference between consecutive numbers is same. So, this is also a perfect example for arithmetic progression. Students, let us take an example to understand a non-sequence. What do you see here? It is a ball. What happens if you hit the ball to the ground? It bounces. Let us see how it bounces. What happened? At every bounce, the rubber ball height has decreased to its half. What happened? At every bounce, the rubber ball height has decreased by half. On first hit, ball bounced to a height of 64 meters. Then the next bounce is of 32 meters. Third bounce is to a height of 16 meters. Next bounce is to a height of 8 meters. What do we observe here? Height of the second bounce is 32 meters, that is half of 64 meters. Height of the third bounce is 16 meters, that is half of 32 meters. Height of the fourth bounce is 8 meters, that is half of 16 meters. Thus, we got a number list 64, 32, 16, 8, which is following a pattern. Difference between 64 and 32 is minus 32. Difference between 32 and 16 is minus 16. Difference between 16 and 8 is minus 8. What do we see? Difference between two consecutive numbers are different. So, it is not an arithmetic. Students, let us take another example to understand a non-sequence. What do you see? A girl. First year, she gets pocket money of rupees 500. Second year, she gets pocket money of rupees 1000. This is the double amount of pocket money she was getting during the previous year. Third year, she gets pocket money of rupees 2000. This is the double of 1000. Fourth year, she gets the pocket money of rupees 4000. This is the double of 2000. Means pocket money of the girl is getting double every year. We get a number list which is 500, 1000, 2000, 4000 and is following some pattern which can be addressed as a sequence. Now let us see the difference between first year and second year. 500. Difference between second year and third year? 1000. Difference between third year and fourth year? 2000. Now we can see the difference is not the same for each consecutive year. Hence, this is not a sequence and it is not an arithmetic progression. Now let us look into the definition of arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers such that the difference between consecutive terms is constant or equal. In the example we have seen, the difference between the consecutive numbers is 2. This 2 is constant. Another definition is an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Let us see the applicability of the definition with the same example. First term is 2 and add 2. This is the second term, 4. Add 2 to the second term. Then you get the third term, 6. Another important thing is the rule is not applicable for the first term. Important points to note is difference between two consecutive numbers should be same. If the difference is not same, then that number list is not of arithmetic progression. Add fixed numbers or same numbers to get the next term. This rule is not applicable to the first term in the number list. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel to get more lessons. If not, please subscribe right now.